Hello guys, welcome to my channel Scared series. In today's video, we will see the abstraction in Java. So, how we can implement the abstraction in Java? We will see the abstraction is first by using abstract class. We can implement 0% to 100% abstraction in Java. And second is by using interface we can implement the abstraction in Java, that is 100%. It means by using abstract class we can implement only 0 to 100%. It means not accurate 100%, 0 to 100% abstraction. And if we use the interface we can implement the abstraction 100%. In today's session we will see the first by using abstraction using abstract class, and next video we will see by using interface how can we implement the abstraction in Java. So first we have to see what is abstract. By using abstract class, how we can implement the abstraction? First question is, what is abstract class? An abstract class is a class that is declared with abstract keyword. It means when we want to implement abstraction, then when we use the abstraction with abstract class, then we have to use abstract keyword before class keyword. When we create a class, then we must use the abstract keyword before class keyword. We will see in notepad how we can create a abstract class, abstract methods and other also. The second is, it may or may not include abstract method. Abstract classes can't be initiated, but they can be subclassed. It means the abstract class includes abstract methods or non-abstract methods, and the abstract methods can't be initiated. The next point is, an abstract class may have static field and static methods. We will see in notepad how to create an abstract class, how to create a abstract method, and the third is, an abstract class may have static field and static method. We will see in notepad. We have to open notepad first. Here, using abstract keyword, we have to declare a class using keyword abstract, then class keyword for declaring class, then class name, that is suppose demo ubs, and then after that we have to declare one abstract method. That's why we have to use the abstract keyword for declaring abstract method. Abstract, then return type, then method name, whatever your method name, that is print or whatever you can do, then semicolon. Here we can only declare the abstract method, and we will see what is rules for abstract class in next slide. Rule for abstract class. First is, class must declare with abstract keyword. It means here I have declared that class using abstract keyword. When you perform the abstraction, then you must declare the class with abstract keyword. Second Second rule is the abstract class can contain abstract methods or non-abstract methods. It means the non-abstract method means concrete methods. Abstract class can contain abstract methods. It means with abstract keyword or without abstract keyword we can define the methods in abstract class. Here I have defined one abstract method, that is abstract void print, and second method is void show. Then I will take a block for show method, and here the abstraction of demo ABS is 50% abstraction and 50% is not. Why it is 50%? Because here is abstract method, one abstract method and one concrete method, that's why abstraction is 50%. Third is we can't create object of abstract class. We will see here in notepad. In show method I will create a object, we can create or not, we will see. Here class name is demo ABS, then object name obj, suppose goes to new, then demo ABS. Here I have created the object of demo ABS, that is abstract class. It is not possible we can create the object of abstract class. It is the third rule. We will move towards rules for abstraction. The fourth rule is we can create the reference of the abstract class. In third rule we have seen we can't create the object of reference object of abstract class, but fourth rule is we can create the reference of the abstract class. You will see notepad. Fifth is in abstract class we can create constructors and static methods. We can create the constructors and static methods also in abstract class. Sixth is inside the abstract class we can't create final method. But which method we can't take as final? The abstract method is not take as final keyword, with final keyword, because using a final keyword for method we can't override that method. We have to override our abstract method in next class or subclass. That's why we can't use the final keyword for abstract methods only. We can use the final keyword for concrete method, but we can use final keyword for concrete method, that is non-abstract method, that method without abstract keyword. We see in notepad what is abstract method, what is a static method, and how to create the reference only of class. Here this is object of that abstract class. We can't create object, rule says and it says also we can create the reference of that abstract class. We can create like this, reference of abstract class. Next rule is we can't take final keyword for abstract methods, because we have to override that method. We have to define that method block in next class. That's why we cannot use the final keyword. We have to override that abstract method. That's why we can't use the final keyword for abstract methods. It is clear. Next is we can use the abstract keyword for concrete method. This is concrete method. Non-abstract method we can use final keyword for non-abstract method or concrete method. I have used here the final keyword for that non-abstract method. What is final keyword used? We will see in this slide. Final key method means that method we can't overwrite in next class. It is a final method. Final keyword use final variable. That variable is constant. Second, use final method. That method we can't override. Third, use final class. That class we can't inherit. That is use of final method, final keyword. In next, we will see the rule. That is rule number 7. We can create abstract method only inside abstract class. We will move towards notepad, and here see here we will create the abstract method only in abstract class, because abstract methods declared in only abstract class. Suppose I have not taken here the abstract keyword, it will show an error. It will not compile the program, because abstract methods are created only in abstract class. The 8th rule is we can't use final keyword for abstract class. We have seen in previous rule also. We can't use final keyword for abstract class. No, we have seen in previous slide, we can't use the final keyword for abstract method. In this rule we will see we can't use the final keyword for abstract class, because this abstract class we have to inherit in another class. That's why we can't use this final keyword for abstract class. 9th is we can't use private scope for abstract methods. Here we will see one example for this rule. We can't use private scope for abstract method. Suppose I have taken here one simple program, abstract class demo abstract, and in that method I have declared method that is abstract void print, and that method scope is private, and another method is declared here void display. In this method I have used the private keyword here. So when we use the private keyword, we can't access that method to another class. That's why we can't take that private keyword for abstract method. We will see next, we can only declare abstract method. Here you can see the abstract method is here only the declaration, not the definition. Here I can't define that method like this, or we can't write the code in this. It means we cannot define that method. We can only declare the abstract method in abstract class. You see the next is here the next order of scope visibility, that is public, protected and default. This is a order of visibility mode or scope. If we have take a protected, then we can take next in inherit class like public, but if we take protected we can't use the default or private. We will see in example. Here in abstract class, suppose I have take here protected, and in next class suppose class demo, and in that class I extends that abstract class, that is a demo abstract. And here we have to override that method. When we override that method, we have to use public void print. Then here you can write the block, but we can't use here the default or protected, default or private. Why? Because this is a order. We can go through down to up, but we can't decrease the scope. We can increase the scope of that variable or method. Default to protected we can, protected to public we can, but we can't public to protected, protected to default, or public to default, or public to private. We can convert the public to default, default to protected, protected to public, but we can't like this. Thank you for watching this video. At the end, if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, then subscribe, share and like this video. Thank you for watching again.